Sabi nga nila, defense is the best offense. Yan ang kitang-kita sa magandang performance ng defending champions na DLSU Lady Spikers. At ang susi sa maganda nilang receive ay walang iba kundi ang small but terrible libero, ang Miss Everywhere na si Dawn Macandili. You can find her on Twitter at Dawn_ask, pero dito sa Upfront, she'll be answering our question, what's inside her bag?
Hi, I'm Dawn Macandili, the Libero of the DLSU Lady Spikers. And for today, I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag. So, inside the top back pocket, I have my essentials, my phone, my fan in case it's hot, alcohol for germs, toothbrush just in case I eat something stinky, icebreakers for mints, and my ipit para hindi sabog yung buhok ko. And here are my keys, and with my keys is a pepper spray just for safety, you know, because the Philippines is not known for for friendly strangers. And for the main one, here's my jersey because we did the shoot earlier. So here's my shoes. This is my shoes for the games and for training. My pillow because I can sleep anyway. So basically, that's the contents of my bag. Medyo introvert ako, pero once you get to know me, yan, sasabaw na ako, gano'n. Siguro minsan, pag yung fans na magpapapicture, tas hindi ko na napapansin, siguro iniisip nila na suplad ako or snob, ganyan. Pero minsan, nagmamadali lang talaga or may pupuntahan. Hindi naman siguro mapapagbigyan lahat. Yung family ko, may family business kasi kami sa Tanawan. Nandun yung parents ko everyday. And dahil graduate na yung mga siblings ko, doon na rin sila nag-work sa family business namin. Bunso ako. Ako na lang yung nag-aaral. Yun. Actually, patapos na ako. Woohoo! Dahil sa social media, may group kami sa Facebook Messenger, tas doon kami nagsisend ng mga memes, yung mga ganon, updates.
At hindi lang Miss Everywhere ang pwedeng idagdag na moniker kay Dawn. With her incredible achievements not only in the local leagues, but in international competitions.
Volleyball awardee, Dawn Macandili.
The Philippine Sports Writers Association hailed Dawn as 2017 Miss Volleyball.
From the Philippines, Dawn Nicole Macandili.
Isa sa mga standout performances ni Dawn ay nang makuha niya ang second best Libero Award sa katatapos lamang ng 19th Asian Senior Women's Volleyball Championship.
First of all, thank you for supporting us, the DLSU Lady Spikers, and the rest of the coaching staff in our journey, lalo na sa amin na patapos na. Sana patuloy kami supportahan. Thank you!